Founded in 2008 and headquartered in Long Island, New York, Infinity Drain is a leading name in design-centric decorative shower drains. With over 15 years of expertise, the brand stands as a pioneer in the industry, delivering the broadest selection of high-quality drains designed to elevate both form and function in commercial and residential environments, along with its reputation of unsurpassed quality. Their products seamlessly merge cutting-edge technology with elegant design, making Infinity Drain the top choice for designers, architects, and homeowners alike. At the heart of Infinity Drain's design philosophy is the commitment to advancing barrier-free drainage. By combining modern manufacturing practices with proven artisan techniques, they have redefined what a drain can be, an essential component of architecture that adds both visual appeal and seamless performance. From linear and center drains to their new elevator and water-adhesive drains, Infinity Drain is consistently innovating to meet the needs of modern spaces, indoors and out. Their products are known not only for their functionality, but also for their sleek, contemporary aesthetic that enhances the look of any environment or home setting. In addition to their standard selection of products, Infinity Drain's outstanding ability to customize designs allows for unprecedented flexibility, ensuring that every drain is as unique as the space it serves. Whether it's the introduction of new finishes or their award-winning designs, such as the weave pattern and the semi-round drain body, Infinity Drain continues to push the boundaries of innovation, earning industry recognition through design and utility patents. In 2020, Infinity Drain was awarded with 2 design patents and 1 utility patent, Design Patent PAT #D87418 for the weave pattern, Design Patent PAT #D890307 for the semi-round drain body, compact clamping floor drain, Utility Patent PAT number 10724225 for the semi-round drain body, compact clamping floor drain. Beyond their products and innovative designs, Infinity Drain is also deeply committed to their strong company values. Sustainability is a guiding principle, with an emphasis on recyclable stainless steel, low-waste processes, and the use of locally sourced raw materials to minimize their environmental impact. Their commitment to responsible manufacturing is as strong as their dedication to the communities they serve. Through initiatives like Mission Belly Full, Infinity Drain is helping to combat food insecurity in their local New York community, reflecting their belief that business should be a force for good. In every aspect, from groundbreaking designs to their company core values, Infinity Drain is more than just a drainage company. They are a leader in creating beautiful, sustainable, and purposeful spaces. Their approach seamlessly blends innovation with environmental responsibility, ensuring that each product not only enhances functionality, but also contributes to the aesthetic and integrity of a space. By prioritizing sustainability, craftsmanship, and social impact, Infinity Drain continues to raise industry standards, proving that performance and design can coexist in harmony. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions or concerns about Infinity Drain products or other questions in general, please feel free to contact Golden Tripod.